Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's GALA video update for 2nd of June. And right now GALA is actually making, what are we doing with GALA right now? So you did have this trend line, right? So you broke out the trend line, you came down and you're finding the retest of the trend line right now. So far so positive, but I'm going to tell you one more thing that you're going to really have to pay attention, okay? This is a potential bear flag that you're making, okay? So this false pull to the upside could end up being a bear flag, and all you're looking for is potentially breaking out from there to there. If you start to break it and lose it, then you're looking for GALA to basically come down here to the 6.263, which is going to be a correction down here to all the way down for 15% to the downside, and the weekend is approaching, so it's going to be a little bit ugly if we find something very similar to this one. So I'm not really gonna say anything as long as you're really holding this level, but you really gotta put one stop loss down here at the 7126, because that's the last place of support potentially, and you might, if you start to lose this one, then you're potentially looking to go way more further down to this technical target, which is going to be 6286. Now, not only that, but if you start to take this week out, which is going to be 4952 at the 500, this is the last place of hope, and from here there's a good chance that you might be looking for a deep retracement down to the 2s and something like the 28s and the 20s and the 25. So let's see what happens, but it's really all about losing support and losing support only. If you're not losing support, you support the coin. Right now you can support the coin, it's holding support, but as soon as it's going to lose that level, you don't support the coin anymore. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.